On today's podcast, we'll be covering week 3 of 4 on off-the-job safety, continuing with protecting yourself at home. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
When we think about safety, we often focus on the facilities, factories, and warehouses where we work. However, many injuries happen at home during routine tasks like cooking, gardening, or home improvement. Following proper safety measures at home is crucial to avoiding preventable accidents. Here are some tips to help you stay safe at home while maintaining a mindset of safety and awareness. Number 1, use the right PPE at home. Just as you would wear safety gloves or safety glasses at work, please use appropriate PPE or personal protective equipment when doing chores at home. For example, gloves or mitts can prevent cuts and burns while working in the garage or in the kitchen. Number 2, stay updated and trained on tools. Thoroughly review user manuals and undergo proper training to operate power tools such as chainsaws, lawnmowers, and trimmers safely. Routinely inspect your equipment for signs of wear to prevent potentially dangerous malfunctions. Consistent tool maintenance is essential for ensuring safety in domestic and professional settings. Number 3, handle chemicals with care. Household chemicals like fertilizers and insecticides can be hazardous. Always follow the instructions on labels and store these substances out of reach of children. Proper signage and storage and handling are essential to prevent accidental exposure. Number 4, practice fire safety in the kitchen. Burns are common when cooking. Please be careful when cooking with hot grease and working around hot surfaces. Make sure your home has up-to-date and properly charged fire extinguishers and working smoke detectors. And last but not least, avoid overexertion. Just as improper lifting in the workplace can lead to injury, the same applies at home. Use proper lifting techniques to avoid strains or back injuries when moving heavy objects or doing yard work. Remember, safety doesn't stop when you leave work. By following the tips we've covered, you can create a safer environment for yourself and your family, whether at home or the workplace. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.